Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FutureLearn, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the FutureLearn website by entering the URL in your web browser. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that your email and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgotten Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If you are logging in for the first time, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification message from FutureLearn. Click the verification link to activate your account. After verification, return to the login page. Re-enter your email and password, then click Login again. If you are using a public computer, consider unchecking the Remember Me box for security. Once logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Here, you can view your courses, notifications, and other account details. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or try a different browser. For further assistance, visit the FutureLearn Help Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.